If you've been feeling unsettled lately or noticing how heavy the world feels right now, this is for you. Hi, I'm Lisa Tarvis. I help people make sense of what they're feeling so that they can actually feel better. Today's affirmation comes from Louise Hay's Power Thoughts, 365 Daily Affirmations. I envision a world of peace and plenty. I feel harmony and unity between nations, and I contribute to that harmony. I envision a world of peace and plenty. I feel harmony and unity between nations, and I contribute to that harmony. It can feel hard to hold on to thoughts like this, especially when there's so much conflict happening right now in the world. But envisioning peace isn't about ignoring what's real and what's happening. It's about choosing the energy you want to be part of, even when things feel uncertain. You don't have to solve everything. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders all the time. But the way you think, the way you speak, the way you treat people in your everyday life, that matters more than you realize. Peace doesn't always exist at the level of nations. It starts in smaller, quieter places in how we respond, how we soften, how we choose understanding instead of reaction. Today, just notice where you can bring a little more calm, a little more compassion, even in one very single moment. That's how harmony grows. If this helped you even a little bit today, please subscribe. I share support like this every single day. Until next time, stay open, stay inspired, and don't forget to subscribe.